أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم كل مسكر خمر وكل مسكر حرام رواه Muslim. Every intoxicant is alcohol and every intoxicant is forbidden. हर नशा शराब है और हर नशा हराम है. अल खमरु उम्मुल खबाइस रवाहु नसाई. I am Tayyab Ashraf, student of Darul Uloom Noori Irfan. Today I want to deliver a topic about fatal effects of drugs. Intoxication is termed to be the matter of all sins in Islam. Three animal characters develop in an intoxicated person after intoxication. The traits of fox, tiger, and pig. He kill everybody, whether he or she, his father and mother, or when the addict gets the traits when with anyone. When if it is his sister, that is why murders and adultery and are common. Intoxication leads to serious fatal diseases. This is the reason why most of premature deaths are common. The prediction was given by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ before 1500 years ago that when adultery and usury are common, there will be many deaths in the nations, and people will die from the diseases and earlier people never think of.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Ashraf, student of Darul Uloom Noori Irfan Guree. I am here to deliver a lecture on drug addiction and side effects of drugs. Drugs are chemicals that affect the body and brain. Different drugs can different effects. Some drugs include health consequences that are long-lasting and permanent. They can even continue after a person stops taking the substance. There are so many ways a person can drug, including injection, inhalation, and ingestion. The effect of drug on the body can depend how the drug is delivered in your body. For example, the injection is directly delivered in the bloodstream, has immediate impact, while ingestion has delayed effect, but all misused drugs affect the brain. They cause the large amount of dopamine, a good hormone released from the brain, a neurotransmitter that helps to regulate our emotions, sadness or happiness, motivation, feelings, pleasure. Eventually, drugs can change the mentality of mentality of who has taken the drug, interfere with their personal disability. Today, more than 7 million people suffer from this illicit drug disorder, and 1 in 4 deaths results from this illicit disorder use. In fact, more illness and disabilities are associated with drug abuse and any other prevention health conditions. Persons suffering from drug and alcohol addiction also have a higher risk of unintentional injuries, accidents, domestic violence incidents. There are so many side effects of drugs. One of side effects is immune system becomes weak and increase in the illness. Heart rate increases, abnormal heart rate increases, which leads to heart attack and collapse venous and blood vessel injection from ingested drugs. Nausea and abdominal pain, which can lead to change in appetite and weight loss. Increase strain on liver, drug diseases, lungs diseases, mental confusion and brain damage. Person in the memory, person who takes the drug have problems in memory and decision taker. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Myself Irtika Ashraf, daughter of Molvi Ashraf. I'm student of Islamic Studies. Today I want to give a brief message about the bad effects of drugs in the light of Quranic verses. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu innamal khamru wal maisaru wal ansabu wal azlamu rijsu min amli shaytani fajtanibuhu la'allakum tuflihun. Allah says, O believers, indeed all kinds of intoxicants are forbidden to you, where today the whole world wants to be in progress in minutes, and people trump humanity in it. When brutality comes in person, he speaks to death in the drunkenness of his arrogance. The same situation is becoming day by day. Taking drugs or selling drugs is a part of it. Do your duty even if not Muslims are affected by this curse, but the whole humanity is getting affected. I hope we will leave religions aside and work for the sake of humanity. Thank you.
सबसे बड़ा रोल जो है सोसाइटी में वो है उलमा का, इसलिए वो उनका ज्यादा रोल है. कुली नबी को मिना जमीन फाइमा यातियन लकमीन हुदा अमन तबिया होता है फला खौफुन अलैहि वला याज़ुन. अगर आप चांद पे पहुंचोगे, तारे पे पहुंचोगे, कौन किस मजहब से बयान करता है, लेकिन जब तक उसमें वो मजहब की ईमानदारी नहीं आएगी, जब तक वो अपने मजहब को फॉलो नहीं करेगा, अगर चांद पे भी पहुंचेगा तब भी वो ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व हो सकता है. इसलिए शॉर्ट में इसी के साथ करूंगा, जो पेरेंट्स है, जो हमारे वालिदैन हैं, उन पे फर्ज सूरह तहरीम में अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फरमाता है, या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू कू अनफुसकुम व अहलीकुम नारा. ऐ वालिदैनों, अपने आप को और अपने बच्चों को बचाओ उस नारी जहन्नम से, वक़ूदुहा अन्नास वल हिजारा, जिसका ईंधन पत्थर और इंसान होंगे. मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं और मेरी बीवी है, ये मेरा अहल-ओ-याल है, ये मेरी फैमिली है. लेकिन वर्दी और मैं एक्सेलेंसी यहाँ पे जो डिग्निटीज बैठे हैं, इनके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूँ, मेरी फैमिली इतनी नहीं है. किसी साहब आपकी फैमिली पूरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. योगी साहब की फैमिली सिर्फ 5 मेंबर्स फैमिली नहीं है. जिसका जितना कंट्रोल हो, जिसका जितना मनसब बनता है उसको उतना ही हिसाब दिया जाएगा. इसलिए हम सबका रोल यही बनता है कि हम सब इसमें आगे आए और ये जो बच्चे आज दिन ब दिन इस पराखात में और गलत कामों में बहुत सारे बिलखुसूस ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, इन चीजों को रोकने के लिए हमें एक ही आखिर पे एक बात करके मैं कंक्लूड करूंगा. वो है कि हमने आ गया है कंपटीशन. इसकी ये बिल्डिंग है, उसकी ये बिल्डिंग है, ये नौकरी करता है, वो ये करता है. शुपियन वालों, और काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, शुपियन वो जगह है जिससे द एंटरटेन